Big upgrades are coming to our Jeep Gladiator today, and I'm so pumped to show you what we're adding for our next camping trip. We're installing a rooftop tent, Billie Bars, and a bike rack. We're picking up a Smittybilt Gen2 standard size rooftop tent to go on top of our bed rack system. Bed rack system we went with is the Billie Bars. It's a clamping system, so it's easy to install, low profile for less wind drag when we hit the road, and I can use my tonneau cover underneath it so that way everything is secure and watertight in the bed of the truck. To top it all off, to make our campsite even better, we just picked up this Mukkpet Breeze e-bike to go along with our camping trips. It'll help us get us around on trails, get around the campsite and do some exploring a little bit more. Even though our rig is set up, we still have means of getting around. All right, let's get this set up. Our camping rig is about to be a whole lot better. But first, let's go pick up the rooftop tent from 4-wheel part and then install the bed rack. I am picking up and finishing my order for...
Let me guess, wait. A rooftop tent?
Yes.
Sweet.
It's a piece of steel, don't get me wrong, it's laser cut. And then it goes in like this, and then it goes up.